What's the difference between a tractor and the all-new John Deere 3R Series? Here's a hint. I'm not talking about raw materials, iron and steel, rubber and glass. I'm talking about reliability. I'm talking about integrity. About the workers on the factory floor who take just as much pride in building a John Deere as you do in driving it. Because that's how we run. The new 3R Series replaces the popular 3020 series compact utility tractors and includes a range of features and options to tackle a variety of tasks on your property or in your fleet. Choose from 3 models, 33 to 46 engine horsepower, and whether you prefer a geared transmission with a power reverser or a hydrostatic transmission with our intuitive twin-touch pedals, the 3R Series has the options to fit the way you run. We built our rugged and reliable power reverser transmission to run strong and run long. With no stop forward to reverse shifting, loader jobs and other work requiring frequent directional changes are this transmission's bread and butter. While simple twin-touch pedal controls make the 3R's hydrostatic transmission one of the easiest to operate in the class. And since we specifically designed it to ease muscle fatigue, it's also one of the most comfortable to run all day. Choose the e-Hydro transmission, and you'll also get premium hydrostatic controls conveniently located in a single cluster. Load Match makes sure the engine won't stall, even under heavy load. Motion Match allows the operator to dial in just the right acceleration and deceleration speeds. And Speed Match sets a maximum speed, allowing the operator to fully engage the forward pedal while still remaining at the appropriate speed for the job. When workdays run long, we run premium. That's why the new 3R comes loaded with features that make a long day just a little bit shorter. And it all starts where you do, the operator station. Choose an open station and handle basic seasonal work. Or go with a climate-controlled cab for year-round comfort and productivity. Add an optional in-cab stereo system for an even more premium experience. Whichever you choose, both include an ergonomic seat with suspended frame to keep you comfortable during long hours. And intuitive, color-coded controls within easy reach at all times. Outside the operator station, you'll find even more premium features and options. Add an H160 or H165 loader for up to 1,598 pounds of lifting power. And expanded John Deere Quick Park features for attaching and detaching the loader right from the operator's seat. For digging and excavation work, attach the new 375A or 385A backhoe in under 5 minutes and dig in. AutoConnect deck compatibility makes it a snap to attach a mid-mount mower. Just drive over it, then drive off with it, and get mowing. Standard Category 1 3-point hitch means dozens of compatible rear implements, including rotary tillers, rear blades, landscape rakes, land planes, and more. Add the optional new front hitch and front PTO, and versatile becomes understatement. These days, too many things are disposable, and it may sound old-fashioned, 175 years old-fashioned, but that's not how we run. Start after start, year after year, we run strong. That's why, at the heart of every new 3R Series, beats up to 46 horsepower of reliable final tier 4 compliant Yanmar diesel engine. They're tested thousands of hours under heavy loads, even at 20 degrees below zero, just to make sure that when you're ready to work, so is your tractor. Weeks, months, even years from now. The new 3R Series. That's how we run. And nothing runs like a Deere. See your John Deere dealer today.